Now, 42 CFR Part 2 protects certain records that identify a person as having or having had a substance use disorder, when those records are maintained by a federally assisted Part 2 program or by a lawful holder of those records. In an integrated behavior health environment, this question is not always obvious. A clinic may have service lines, medication-assisted treatment functions, intensive outpatient programs, or shared record systems that create overlap between HIPAA, Part 2, and state law. That means staff should not assume that all behavioral information follows the same rule set. The key point here is that one organization can be subject to more than one confidentiality framework at the same time. If HIPAA and another law both apply, the more protective rule, this is a very important point, the more protective rule for the record at issue continues and generally controls. That is why records involving SUD treatment should never be handled casually or by memory alone. If there is uncertainty about whether a clinic, a program, or an integrated workflow involves Part 2 records, the correct response is escalation, not improvisation. Compliance or legal review should determine whether the organization is acting as a Part 2 program or lawful holder, and what notice, consent, redisclosure, and release standards it must follow from that status.